In this video, we're going to discuss a new and exciting Excel function, PivotBy. Our last video was about another new function, the GROUPBY function. If you missed it, don't worry, I'll link it here and also at the end of this video, so be sure to check it out. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have lots of short Excel tricks on the way that will take you from good to great. Now, let's get started with the PivotBy function. PivotBy is similar to GROUPBY, but with an added twist. It allows you to group data by both rows and columns. While the GROUPBY function has 3 mandatory arguments, PivotBy requires 4. Here's the dataset we'll be using for our example. We're going to create a summarized table with category in the rows and years in the columns. First, we will write is equal to PivotBy, open parenthesis. Now select category column along with its header. Now, comma. Here we don't have years, so first we will convert the dates into year with text function. Write text, open parentheses, select order date column, now comma, write YYYY, close parentheses. Now comma, then select sales column. Again comma, and aggregate it with sum. And press enter. As you can see, PivotBy makes it incredibly easy to create powerful, multi-dimensional summaries of your data. In our GROUPBY function video, we already discussed optional arguments. However, there are 2 additional optional arguments in the PivotBy function related to columns. Let's see how we can use them. The first optional argument is column total depth. This automatically shows the grand total. For a subtotal, there must be at least 2 column fields. The next optional argument is call sort order. Currently, our years are in ascending order. If we want them in descending order, we can set the call sort order to -1. It's a game changer for anyone working with large datasets in Excel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our GROUPBY function video linked here.